Hello, welcome to TZT Learning Session. In this learning session, we'll explain what transaction batches are and how to enter journal entries in a batch in the General Ledger. The General Ledger Journal Entry window lets you record all the details for debit and credit entries. To enter a journal entry, you use the batch entry process, which has specific steps. First, create a new batch, then enter your journal entries within that batch. Finally, post the batch to record the transactions in your history. This process allows you to enter multiple transactions at once, verify them, and make any necessary edits before posting. The batch list window helps manage this process. Let's look at how to record journal entries in Sage 300. Go to General Ledger, then General Ledger Transactions, and select Journal Entry. In the Journal Entry window, you can record all details for your journal entry. To record a journal entry, first create a batch, then enter the entries within it. To create a new batch, click New. You can also manage batches from the Batch List window. This window lets you create, view, print, post, and review batches. To create a new batch, click New, which takes you to the Journal Entry window. Enter a batch description. The batch number is assigned automatically. There are entry numbers for individual journal entries. The summary area tracks the number of entries in total debits and credits. The summary area shows the total debits and credits. Please note that you cannot post a journal entry that is out of balance. Enter an entry number, description, and date, which affects the year and period the transaction is posted to. Every journal entry needs a source code to identify the transaction type and module. Use the Finder to select the source code. Then continue to enter the details for each line by entering the reference, description, accounts, debits, and credits, and have different source journal types for individual lines. When finished, add the journal entry by clicking Save. Note the summary has now increased to one entry with its debits and credits. We can now continue to record another entry. One of the options available to you when recording journal entries is the normal mode or the quick mode. Normal mode lets you enter details individually, while quick mode copies details from line to line. Quick mode allows you to quickly add lines by pressing the Insert key. Another feature is the auto reverse function, which creates two journal entries, one original and one reversal in the next period. This is useful for accruals or transactions needing automatic reversal. So that's it. Now you know what transaction batches are and how to enter a journal entry in a batch in the General Ledger.